A very warm and pleasant good morning to you all, my dear students. Today I am here to teach you a new chapter, that is chapter 7, A Strange Jew. But before getting started the chapter, please tell me, have you dreamed or do you dream when you are sleeping? Or have you seen any funny dream? And what kind of dream is coming while you are sleeping? It is funny or it is scary? What kind of dream? So you all of you think and let me know when your school will reopening what kind of dream you tell me, okay? Now let's get started the page number 51 and the chapter name is A Strange Jew. For your reference, please open your book, page number 51. In this story, first Natasha and Rohit went to the zoo last Sunday. It was a strange zoo. Everything in it was so different. There was a giraffe with a short neck. In the first stanza in the story, two small boy and girl went to the zoo last Sunday. The boy name is Rohit and the girl's name is Natasha. As they went the zoo, it was a strange, means difficult to understand. And in this zoo, everything was so different. And everything in this zoo, whatever around us, was different. There was a giraffe with short neck. If you actually visit any zoo, that time you must have seen the giraffe had long neck. But in this story, the giraffe had short neck. Yes. Next, the monkeys were swimming in the pool. A crocodile was climbing a tree. Next, as we know, monkeys are always climbing a tree and they always move from one tree to another tree, one branch to another branch. But in this zoo, monkeys are swimming in the pool and crocodile was climbing on the tree. But what does normally crocodiles do? They swim and the monkeys are moved from one tree to another tree. But in this zoo, monkeys are swimming in the pool and crocodiles are climbing on the tree. There was a blue camel eating flowers. The penguins were huge and they could fly. Camels are usually brown in color, but this zoo, the camel was blue in color. And can penguin fly? No, penguin is a flightless bird. But here penguins can fly. Next para, the fish were flying in the air and some were sitting on the trees. You can see the picture, some fishes are sitting on the tree and some are flying in the sky. The lions are eating grass. They also saw a huge rabbit in a cage. So the children, they looked around. The lions are eating grass. But do lions eat grass? No, they eat raw meats. And they saw a huge rabbit in a cage. But rabbits are normally, they are moved here and there freely. And rabbit was a small and cute animal. But in this zoo, rabbits are huge in size and it was kept in a cage. and the lion was moving freely. Can lions move freely? No. It will harm us, and if it will move freely, then it will harm the other animals and human being also. And those who are visit them in the zoo, it was very unusual in the zoo lions are eating grass. Next side, that is both the children were amazed at this sight. So moving around the zoo, both the children was amazed at the sight. Amazed means to suddenly filled with wonder. It was very strange to see unusual things in the tree. The crocodile were climbing the tree. The monkeys were swimming in the pool. Instead of birds flying in, the fishes are flying. And some fishes are sitting on the branch of the tree. Instead of lions in the cage, there was a rabbit inside the cage. And everything, it was different. Natasha said to Rohit, "Why is everything so different?" Rohit replied, "I don't know. I have never seen anything like this before. Have we come to some magical land?" Then so Natasha said to Rohit, "Why everything is so different?" Natasha, she asked that why everything is different. Rohit replied that he don't know. And so they are thinking that they have come to a magical land, and that is why everything was different, strange and unusual. Just then one of the monkeys jumped on him and he shouted, "No, no, get away from me." They were thinking that they had come to a magical land, and that is why all the strange things are happening. At that time, only one monkey, it was jumped and catch from the tree and catch the boy from the back, and he shouted, "No, no, get away from me." And the next para, he heard Natasha and his mother says, "Rohit, what's wrong with you? Were you dreaming?" Then he heard that, Rohit heard that, his mother and Natasha called him and asked him that what's wrong with him and were he dreaming. When suddenly Rohit understand that it was a dream. That is why all things are changed. And suddenly one monkey sat and catch him on his back. Yes, indeed, Rohit was sitting on his bed. All his bedclothes had fallen on the floor. He had been dreaming all this time. Yes, indeed, he was sitting on his bed and he had been dreaming, and all the bedclothes are fallen on the floor. All the time the Rohit had been dreaming. It was strange because it was dream. But in the reality, giraffe had a long neck, and giraffe had no short neck. No giraffe we have seen in the zoo that have short neck, and they don't fly. Fish they don't fly, and crocodile they don't climb the tree. So in the story all things are strange. They don't have any reality. For this reason I ask you before starting the story, do you dream, or have you ever seen any funny dream? Because of that, in the full story is making of the dream. And that is why I ask you before some time, you see any dream in the night as you sleep, for this, okay? Dear students, please go through this chapter and read it properly. It will make your vocabulary strong, and when after reopening the school you will come to the school, that time you make your vocabulary more than strong from before the time. And after that you read words to know. That is, I tell you, strange means difficult to understand or explain. That means which thing is difficult to understand, that is strange. Next, it is amazed, to be suddenly filled with wonder. When we feel suddenly filled wonder, that time we amazed. My dear students, please read this chapter, and if you want any kind of help, any kind of difficulties you face, that time you ask me in your WhatsApp group. And then also, if you have any queries, you comment in your YouTube comment box. And after this video, I will give you one PDF file for the understanding test. Please go through these videos and PDF file and do your classwork complete clearly and neatly. And if you face any difficulties to read the story, that time you ask your parents help. Thank you, students. Bye bye. Take care yourself.